अकेला चाइना पाकिस्तान के साथ होता है, पूरी दुनिया हमारे साथ होती है।
Pakistan is clearly cornered.
पूरी दुनिया में पाकिस्तान अलग थलग पड़ा है।
India has gradually and successfully isolated Pakistan in a way.
India has said it will ensure the complete diplomatic isolation of Pakistan.
We have to do more, and this is the moment. Pakistan is diplomatically isolated. All major powers, Russia, USA, UK and France, all major countries are slamming Pakistan.
From now onwards, Pakistan will only partner another country in peace. We would not become part of any other conflict. We would not join any country in its conflict.
The U.S. partnership with Pakistan has been long, it's been enduring, it will continue, it's based on mutual trust.
Always Turkey is participating in this M1 exercise and we are proud to be with you.
Pakistan is a key partner in maintaining freedom of the seas and maritime security.
China and Pakistan, our two peoples, always stand together.